In the today's video, I am carrying out the special reactions of aromatic acids, that is salicylic acid, benzoic acid, and then characteristic reactions of the phenols, simple phenol, alpha naphthol, beta naphthol. So aromatic acids, let me start with salicylic acid. Characteristic reaction, I am taking about 0.2 gram of the salicylic acid, about 0.2 gram of the salicylic acid, yes, and to this I am adding methyl alcohol. I am carrying out esterification reaction. For the esterification of the salicylic acid, we are using methyl alcohol. The purpose is that we are getting a special ester called as methyl salicylate, and this methyl salicylate is very common in all the pain bombs. So ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕೆಲವು ಸಾರಿ ಒಳಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗ್ಯದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆ ಒಳಪೆಟ್ಟದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಪೇನ್ ಬಾಂಬ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಅದರಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲಿಸೈಲೇಟೇ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ 1 to 2 drops of the concentrated sulfuric acid. This concentrated sulfuric acid serves as dehydrating agent. Concentrated sulfuric acid is added, which serves as dehydrating agent. Now it is heated gently on a low flame. Now the salicylic acid, which is reacting with methyl alcohol, so it is a reaction between acid and alcohol to give an ester. The reaction is called as esterification or esterification. Now the ester formed is methyl salicylate and it has smell of oil of wintergreen. So I am gently heating it for about 1 to 2 minutes so that the reaction take place between salicylic acid and methyl alcohol to give methyl salicylate. We say that methyl salicylate has the smell of oil of wintergreen. Oil of wintergreen is name of the oil extracted from the green grass. Yes. So now the reaction has taken place. It is to this we have to add little water. We have to cool it. We have to add little water, and to this we have to add water, or we may add sodium bicarbonate solution. Now we got methyl salicylate. This is an ester and this has beautiful smell of iodex. Yes, it has iodex smell and this is called as methyl salicylate. This is an ester. So this is about the salicylic acid. Now similarly we can carry out the characteristic reaction of benzoic acid. Yes, now I have already prepared the ester for benzoic acid. That to benzoic acid about 0.2 gram of the benzoic acid is taken, and to that we have to add about 1 to 2 cc of the ethyl alcohol and then 1 to 2 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid, then heated on a low flame gently for about 1 to 2 minutes, cooled well, and to that we have to add little excess of the cold water, that is distilled water, and then so the ester is obtained. This is having fruity odor. This is ester of the benzoic acid called ethyl benzoate. Ethyl benzoate is having fruity odor. Yes, it is having fruity odor. This is how the confirmatory test for benzoic acid is carried. Okay, now I am showing you the special test for phenols. Let me take first simple phenol. I have taken 2 drops of the simple phenol. It is also called as carbolic acid. Carbolic acid. Simple phenol is called as carbolic acid. So to this simple phenol, I have to add pinch of the phthalic anhydride. Few crystals of the phthalic anhydride is added. And then 1 to 2 drops of the concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid is added carefully. Now I have added 2 drops of the concentrated sulfuric acid. Now melt is prepared. So simple phenol is taken. To that I have added phthalic anhydride and 1 to 2 drops of the concentrated sulfuric acid. It is heated on a low flame carefully. It is called gentle heating. Gentle heating. See the change in the color. It is gently heated. So phenol reacts with phthalic anhydride in presence of the concentrated sulfuric acid, which acts as a dehydrating agent. Now there is formation of the phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is actually white powder, so there is formation of the phenolphthalein. Let me show you. So with the help, this is the melt prepared for the simple phenol. It is cooled now, and to this we have to add excess of the sodium hydroxide. To this, when I am adding excess of the sodium hydroxide, we are expected to get pink color. So now there is formation of the phenolphthalein. That phenolphthalein is pink color in alkaline medium. So see the color, pink color. Yes, phenolphthalein was developed. Phenol reacts with phthalic anhydride in presence of the little concentrated sulfuric acid. Phenolphthalein was developed, and that phenolphthalein is pink in color with excess of the sodium hydroxide. So this is confirmatory test for the simple phenol. Similarly, the test for alpha naphthol, that is confirmatory test. When carried, that alpha naphthol is heated with phthalic anhydride in presence of little concentrated sulfuric acid, cooled well, and then to that we have added NaOH. There is development of the green coloration. So it's actually green, but not, it's appearing black in the video. So it's actually green color, and this is for alpha naphthol. And for beta naphthol, we are getting fluorescence, faint fluorescence. I am now showing characteristic reaction of benzaldehyde, that aldehydes, they reduce Tollens reagent. Now I am showing the reaction of the benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. I am taking 1 to 2 drops of the benzaldehyde. Yes, I have taken 1 to 2 drops of the benzaldehyde. Now this is Tollens reagent. So how to prepare Tollens reagent? About 0.5 cc of the silver nitrate is taken. To that we have to add 1 or 2 drops of the sodium hydroxide. The brown precipitate formed is dissolved in excess of the ammonium hydroxide. Just I have prepared. Yes, it is having ammonia smell. And now to the benzaldehyde I am adding Tollens reagent. I am adding Tollens reagent. After adding Tollens reagent, we have to warm it. About 1 to 2 cc of the Tollens reagent is added. I am carefully warming it. On warming, we are expected to get silver mirror or black precipitate or brown precipitate. So on warming, we are getting the silver mirror like this. This is the silver mirror, or sometimes you may get brown precipitate or black precipitate. So on the top here there is black precipitate and silver mirror also. So this is called as silver mirror, means benzaldehyde has reduced Tollens reagent. So this is the confirmatory test for benzaldehyde. And now I am showing another reaction of the benzaldehyde, that it develops pink color with Skipp's reagent. So I am taking again 1 to 2 drops of the benzaldehyde, and to that I am adding Skipp's reagent. With Skipp's reagent it develops pink color. Let us see. So I have taken 1 to 2 drops of the benzaldehyde, and to that I am adding Skipp's reagent. So after adding Skipp's reagent, about 1 to 2 cc, it should be shaken well, that it has to develop pink color. This is Skipp's reagent. Shake it well. After shaking it well, it develops pink color. So this is color reaction. It has developed pink color. With Skipp's reagent, benzaldehyde developed pink color. This is another color reaction of the benzaldehyde. Thus, benzaldehyde is confirmed. These are the reactions of benzoic acid. That benzoic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol in presence of little concentrated sulfuric acid on warming. So this is ethyl benzoate, an ester which is having fruity odor, and the reaction is called as esterification reaction. Organic acids, carboxylic acids react with alcohol in presence of dehydrating agent to give an ester. And similarly, if it is salicylic acid, so we are heating with alcohol, methanol, in presence of little concentrated sulfuric acid. Now the ester formed is methyl salicylate, and this methyl salicylate we call it as, it is having smell of oil of wintergreen. So it is the main component of the iodex paint bomb. Now these are the reactions for phenol. That phenol reacts with phthalic anhydride in presence of the concentrated sulfuric acid to give phenolphthalein. This phenolphthalein, we know that it is acid-base indicator. So there is development of the acid-base indicator, and this indicator develops pink color with excess of the sodium hydroxide. And this is the reaction for the benzaldehyde. That benzaldehyde is a mild, benzaldehyde reacts with Tollens reagent, and on warming there is formation of the silver mirror. Silver mirror may be obtained, or instead of silver mirror there may be black precipitate or brown precipitate. So Tollens reagent is reduced by the reducing agent benzaldehyde, and itself is oxidized to benzoic acid.